Acuity Scheduling from Squarespace just rolled out some new customization options, and some of them are pretty cool. I'm going to show you how I'm using them in this video. Okay, Acuity just rolled out some new scheduler customization options, and I'm going to show you where to find them, and I'm going to show you how I'm using one of those new options myself. We're here in my Acuity scheduling account. I picked a week that I'm out of the office, so you're not seeing all of my crazy scheduling. What we're going to do is go on the left-hand side into scheduling page. Once we're here, if you click settings and scroll down, there are a whole bunch of new settings here. Now, I'm going to pull up what I'm seeing here. So this is the schedule appointment if I were to share the link. And then here is that same thing embedded on my website. So let's hop back to settings. Some really cool things here. You can actually customize default text as well. That's something that I have not done yet, but if I wanted to change any of this text, this is something that I can do. So I can change this label from appointment. I can change a no availability message. So lots of customizations that you can make here with the text. But the other stuff that's new, what I want to show you, let's go back to settings, scroll down. There are a lot of new options here. Now we can show or hide duration, prices, calendar name, full descriptions, full add-on lists, all kinds of things here. One of the things that I want to change is if you look at my scheduling page, it says 1 hour of help, and then it's like 1 hour at 275. So I just want to get rid of this 1 hour at, so it just makes a little more sense and it's not redundant. So I'm going to go in here and I'm going to choose to hide the duration, scroll down, hit save changes, and now let's refresh here. So much cleaner, just with one little check mark. And here it is embedded on my website. So again, this looks so much better. So now there are a lot of changes that you can make just to customize that page so that it makes sense for your business and makes it easier for people to understand what you're offering and book with you. If you are using Acuity Scheduling, drop a note below and let me know. I'm really curious. There are so many scheduling options out there. I've been using Acuity since 2018, and I also love Breely, Calendly. There are so many great options out there. Let me know what you're using in the comments below. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like or drop that comment below and let me know what scheduling software you're using. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.